Lass uns go more. Lass uns more forward tongue. Lass uns Hindi. That's too bright. Lass uns parang hold your tongue in place na lang pero lift soft palate even more. Lass uns or straight tone. Lass uns no, tsaka. Lass uns more. More R. Lass uns more comfortable. And then vibrate MF, not P, but no push. Lass uns and then close, vibrate N. Remember.